Yes, it's an unboxing. You probably don't even care, but I'm going to record it and I might put it out. I don't know yet. We'll see. S&G Barrett. Love them. Oh, they do such a good job. And they also do a very good job in packing too, in case you've never purchased from them. What have we got here? Aha! Now let's remove that out of the way. Let's see what goodies we've got. Here immediately you can see these are the shims that you need to centralize the caliper and the shaft and make sure everything is hunky-dory there. This, as you can see, even reading it upside down, brake caliper. Ugh. I'm hoping it's more than one. Let's have a look. Oh, it's peekaboo time. Sorry, I just bashed you there. Oh, fuck me gently sideways. Oh, damn, they're heavy. Let me show you this. Look at that. Now, isn't that beautiful? Nicely coated, lovely and shiny. Oh, this is going to look so good in the hot rod. Now, the hot rod you will not see maybe for a year or two, but I do promise I will video it. The guy that I'm building this for has promised me he will bring it to me and let me video it. Now, it'll probably be a short video, but it's like all projects, it takes a long time. Those of you that have watched my videos know I've been working on my Jaguar since 1988. That's one hell of a long time, but you know, things are progressing. This guy will go a little faster, especially once I give him this IRS to put into his hot rod. And I honestly, I cannot wait to actually see something I've done in use. Maybe that's silly, but hey, I'm proud of what I do. I can't say I'm perfect, but I can say I'm fucking good. However, let's not digress down that road. In here, there is probably, gosh, everything I could possibly want for a brake caliper. Pins that you need. Hang on. Crossover pipes that you need. So this is great. I mean, that's what I like about S&G Barrett. They think about what you're going to need, and they give you everything you could possibly need. Okay, so now there's two calipers in there, everything 222. Let's see what else we've got here. We have wonderful little packages here. Now these packages are inner and outer bearings for the hub carriers. Excellent. These are the nuts that hold the shafts on, which are kind of important. You know, you need to hold your shaft. What else we got here? Ooh, 50. Oh, look at these beautiful kits. Oh, this is, I say beautiful kits. These are the nightmare kits. Why are they the nightmare? Because of all the pieces that you have to put together. Mr. Jaguar, why did you do this to me? I love you when you fuck with me. And again, the same thing here. I do have another order into S&G Barrett for the fulcrum shaft spacer bars. Ooh, geez, I believe that's the correct terminology. It may not be. We will see. However, this now means I can start to progress. I need to get these bearings in. I need to sort out the shim sizes I need. There's a whole shitload to do now again, and you've seen it in previous videos, so I'm not going to video it again because that would just be pointless, really, in all honesty. But just thought you'd like to see a rather ridiculous and stupid unboxing. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to move you. Ready? Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? So you're just going to have to hang fire there. I just wanted to show you the inside of my box. Oh, don't you wish the women would say that to you? Hang on. I can't get it out. Look at get all this shit out of the way. Look at it. Oh, lovely, beautiful calipers. Caliper upon caliper. I've now got some work to do. Oh, fuck. Well, there you go. That's what happens when you order shit and you do stuff for people. But I love doing it. I really enjoy this. Yeah, that may be a little weird, but hey, that's me. I can tell you I'm weird. Shit, if you watch my channel, you know I'm weird. All right, let me get on and do some work. I think I might just throw this out there for fun. Interesting or not, sorry. It's my channel. By the way, there was an important message. Like, comment, subscribe. Get out in that garage and do some shit.